a wizard. Do you like wizards?
You gonna get the lizard for her?
No.
Go on, go get it.
I don't scare him.
Go get the lizard.
I'm scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
Well, go pet Chili.
Is Miss Singer's wizard?
Go pet Chili.
Where's the wizard? There it's all gone. All gone.
Is it all gone?
It's all gone. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Go pet Chili. Come on. Come on, go pet Chili.
The Betsy.
Yeah, go pet Chili. Bah! Okay, go pet Chili again. Go on. Go pet Chili again.
Goodbye, Julian.
Aww. Okay, touch the lizard.
No, I don't trust the wizard.
No?
I pet Chili.
Go pet Chili. Oh, nice. What's she going to do with the lizard?
Chewy don't eat wizards.
Well, what is she going to do with it then? What's she going to do? Go see. Go find out. Go look at it.
Go look at it. It's made me scared.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm scared.
It's not going to hurt you.
They're not gonna hurt you.
No, they won't hurt you.
Ah! Yuck! 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 Yuck!
Okay, go pet Chili now.
Okay. Ah! Oops. Oops. Where's the wizard? There he is.
Okay, pick up the lizard.
No! I'm scared. I'm scared. It's scared.
You scared of the lizard?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not going to hurt you, honey.